Install your lit light strips like a pro. Journey into a world of creativity and color. This box contains a user manual, control box, remote control, and 2 packs of 5 meters light strips. To start, connect your light strips to the control box. Now, connect the control box to the power adapter. Plug the adapter into power. Your light strips will come on. There are 2 sides to this light strip. The front is covered with silicone, while the back has an adhesive tape to help it stick to your desired surface. You can also turn off and switch to different colors using the remote control. Peel off the adhesive cover and place your light in the desired spot. Long press the button on the control box to get your light into pairing mode. Your light strip will begin to blink rapidly. This shows it is ready to connect. Download the Smart Life application and pair your lights to the app. Once connected successfully, rename your lights and begin to explore amazing colors. Express yourself and design your home with delightful colors. Illuminate your imagination. Set the perfect mood for every activity. Schedule automation and match your space with your feelings. You can also sync your lights to music and enjoy a fun time with friends and family. Kairos of Energy, powering the future.